We just went through all of the non-qualifier awards. Now we're about to announce the big one.
My name's David Calmetti. I'm with Alabama Coasting. This year, as you know, Feeding the Gulf Coast stepped up their game with the Chef's Challenge. After 30 years of doing it in Mobile, they've also expanded to do it here in Pensacola and also in Biloxi in their 3 markets that they serve on the Gulf Coast. And in conjunction with a very great partner of all of ours here on the Gulf Coast, C-Spire, Alabama Coasting and C-Spire have joined forces to raise up the stakes for everyone involved. We are presenting a C-Spire Grand Champion Award to the single best dish among all 3 of the competitions. And that dish is determined by the World Food Championship judging criteria. Our 3 judges who have the arduous task of performing their duties at each of these events. We already did Mobile, and now they've done here, and now they'll do Biloxi in 2 weeks. We'll rate the dishes presented in 3 categories: execution, appearance, and taste. Each dish is rated solely on its own merits, and so it's a little bit different than a People's Choice Award. It's actually a much tougher task. Our judges for the night, I just want to introduce our 3 judges who will be judging each of these 3 events. First, Chef Stuart Rob Donald, who is executive chef at Bella Sarah Gardens, a wonderful wedding and event venue in Loxley, Alabama. He's also the host of Sip and Chew with Mike and Stu, that'd be the co-host, on FM Talk 106.5 in Mobile. And he's the food ambassador newly named for Hall Sausage, an 80-year-old sausage manufacturer out of Mobile. Our second judge, Chandra Wright, is the nature and tourism specialist for the Mississippi-Alabama Sea Grant Consortium, and she works for Gulf Shores and Orange Beach Tourism. She also is the co-founder of the nonprofit Nuisance Group, which works with educating chefs, anglers, hunters, and consumers on species which are considered to be nuisance and underutilized or invasive. And if you've ever had the opportunity to test and taste the lionfish, it's outstanding. Our third judge is Danny Calametti, who is my brother and my partner in Alabama Coasting. In his day job, he serves as Vice President of Business Development of the Americas for SMA and IT Solutions Company. His primary responsibilities are partner sales in Latin America, providing him the opportunities to taste local cuisine from Colombia to Brazil to Uruguay and places in between. But his great love is our Alabama Gulf Coast food and cuisine, and that's why he's part of this. All of that being said, again, an exciting and tremendous display of food here in the Pensacola area, and our C-Spire Grand Champion Award for Pensacola or for Florida, and qualifying to compete against the other 2 winners is Frank and Lola.
That was the Thai crab curry coconut soup that we had. Absolutely a fantastic dish. Fantastic. So there you go, folks. They're in the running for the World Food Championships.
We are so thankful for all of you. We truly are. We could not have done this without your support. The chefs, if you want to give a round of applause to our chefs one last time. Thank you to all the sponsors that made this possible. Everyone that bid on the silent auction, as well as the people that gave so generously to the backpack program. We truly thank you. We hope that you pass the word. We want this to be an annual event, so please put the word out there. Let people know we're here, we're excited, and we're part of your community. Thank you so much, and have a great night.
All right, folks, we're going to wrap it up from Pensacola, and the next one will be in Biloxi, Mississippi in 2 weeks. Hey, Mississippi.